Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can log in to M&T Bank online banking account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So you can do it simply through your app as well, or you can do it from a browser as well. Go ahead, open it up if you have access to your app, and otherwise simply search it up mntbank.com on your browser and get into the official website. Either way, you will find this option of a login as it has given. Once you have tapped on that option, simply have to switch it to what kind of account you have. Once you have gotten, simply provide the user ID that you created while creating your account. Once you provided the ID, they will simply ask you for the password which you have created for the security. Provide the password, tap on remember my user ID, so next time you don't have to add it. Tap on login and you will be logged in. If in case you have forgotten any of the information regarding your user ID or password, you can tap on this option of help with user ID or password. And then you can simply see we are here to help. What can we help with? You can reset your password if you have forgotten. Account is locked, tap on unlock your account or etc. So this is the option for you to solve. You can log in, or if you simply want to log in, that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.